Presenting, Amazon Basics Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This product comes with strong suction of 200 air watt and 20 kilopascal blower function. This vacuum cleaner weighs 7.12 kilograms. The vacuum cleaner can collect up to 15 liters of dust in its 3 liters dust bag. It is a versatile product. This product is convenient for daily use for wet mopping and dry sweeping. It comes with an ergonomic handle and wheels for easy movement and 360 degrees rotation, which makes it as easy to use. This product comes with BIS plug and cable for extra safety and thermostat function to protect from overheating. It is tested against international standards in an international lab for quality assurance. Product accessories are neatly stored in the base. It is easy to clean and store. The product comes with variety of accessories such as 2 hard floor brushes, 1 furniture nozzle, 1 suction nozzle, 1 dry floor brush, 1 wet floor brush and 1 dusting brush for cleaning tiles, wooden floors, rugs, carpets, sofas, fabric upholstery and more. The blower function helps to clean in crevices, cracks, corners and other places that are hard to reach. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.